When we're excessively busy, sometimes a few things can slip between the cracks, and one of those happens to be sending a proper birthday wish. We may have meant to and just gotten caught up in something, or it may have slipped our minds entirely. Either way, we messed up and missed that important date. The first thing to understand is that this, while not great, is not the end of the world. These things happen. When they happen to me, the first thing I do is check the date. If I'm late by a few hours or even a day or two, I simply send my best wishes along with an apology for being so behind. However, happy belated birthday. I'm so sorry I missed your special day may not be enough when you're 3 months late, so if the delay is on the longer side, I take a different track. In that case, along with sending the birthday wish, I also apologize sincerely, not just for being late but for falling out of touch and missing a detail for so long. Maybe I'll make a joke about my forgetfulness or openly wonder what else I may have missed, but the tone is always toward joy and a little bit of embarrassment. The goal here is to both express regret and genuinely show concern and care for the relationship. Sometimes that might mean bringing up a shared experience or referencing something we both remember. No matter what form that takes, I go out of my way to make sure it's unique and not just a recycled message. Sincerity and thoughtfulness go a long way and can help make up for a forgotten birthday wish.